I'm Andrea McGinty, Marketing Manager of Domino Digital Printing Solutions, and on this first day of Label Expo 2019, I'm delighted to announce the sale of our Domino N610i roll-to-roll inkjet label press to Label Pack International. I'd like to introduce you to Xavier DeVos, Chief Operating Officer from Label Pack International. Xavier, tell me a little bit about the background of your business.
Yes, we are family-owned, created in 1968, and we are in the French part of Belgium.
Okay. And which markets and which countries are your main customers from?
We produce labels for mainly Belgium, Luxembourg, the north of France, and Holland.
And so what was it that made you specifically look to invest in the Domino digital inkjet N610i?
We choose Domino because we have very good result and facility to have samples, to make a trial, so it's important, and also to benefit the experience that Domino have in digital inks. And also we choose this machine because Domino has a machine with 7 colors, so have a large possibility of colors, and also we can print on a lot of support. So we have a lot of possibility to make new labels and so on.
Okay, so to summarise, the main reasons that you invested in the Domino was because of the history and heritage we've got of developing inkjet technology, which can give you confidence, because we've been working out industry. The wide range of colours that we offer with the 7 colour, you opted for the 7 colour N610i, and also because of the service we provided in terms of the sampling. Is that correct?
Yes, it's very correct.
Okay, good.
And we are happy to collaborate with Domino now.
Oh, good. Thank you very much. I'd like to say a big thank you to Xavier from Label Pack International for telling us why he made the right choice with Domino.